Okay, so today is Sunday and we are currently on the road to Lake Tahoe. It's 11:02 and we're supposed to get there at 2:01. So we have a little under 3 hours of a drive to go. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now, just a little road trip.
How are you feeling? Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited to be around a bunch of snow. Because living in Texas, you don't get it hardly ever. So I'm excited for that. Yeah, it's gonna be very fun. It's gonna be very fun.
What's gonna be very fun?
The trip.
What trip?
Lake Tahoe.
Oh, why is it gonna be fun?
Because of snow and
Oh yeah.
I'll be with you and then your brother and some girlfriend are coming, so it'll be fun.
What's gonna be fun?
Anyway. Okay, so we're almost at the Airbnb. As you can see, there's snow in different parts. It's not snowing yet, though, at least today. It's not supposed to start snowing until tomorrow, so we will be able to get out and do a few things today, and hopefully it doesn't snow bad tomorrow, but
I kind of
yeah.
wanted to.
Want it to snow.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. It's like, it makes it more fun. Like, you know, the drive here, I was expecting like a, be careful, you know, like might flip out. But
Like slipping on the edge.
yeah, it makes it more like fun. It's like safe. We took the safe route. No, but it's alright.
Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna all come out of nowhere. I might not like it.
But yeah, once we get to the Airbnb, I will show you guys around, since we'll be here for a few days. Look at this cute little, I don't know, it's like a little art studio. It's nothing but cat pictures here. Here's the kitchen, the living room and everything. You come in, this is walk here. Microwave. The fridge, pantries, washer and dryer. This is the bathroom. The shower. It's a nice looking shower. This is where we will be sleeping. This is the room we'll stay in. It's nice and spacious. A fireplace. This is the upstairs area. It's like a little view. This is the upstairs area. It is nice. Cozy looking.
You know, this is like meant for like Airbnbs.
There's a view out the window. How the outside looks. Now we're going to unpack and bring everything inside. We are out now in the snow, going hiking on the trail. I think it's the Chickadee Trail. There's so much snow everywhere. And I am in snow gear. Borrowed my sister's snow jacket and scarf. And then I have snow boots and snow pants on. So we will be going on this hike. It's supposed to be like a 2.5, something like that, mile trail. But we'll probably not make it all the way through and walk back when the sun starts setting. But yeah. It's a doggy. Hey doggy.
Doggy!
Hey doggy.
Doggy!
Hey
Pico, say hi,
doggy.
Pico! Pico, say hi! Say hi!
Hey doggy.
Oh, you're such a cute doggy! You're such a cute doggy!
Aww.
Here, Pico. Oh, look at that. Imagine muscle. Go! Go, go!
Alright.
No, you can't go home with him.
You have a good one.
Bye-bye.
We came to a stop to get a few snacks. This is what we're loaded up with. And water at the bottom. And then we're gonna head back to the Airbnb and chill and play games. Okay guys, we made it back to the Airbnb. We're just gonna eat. I think they plan on making a fried rice. And then chill and play games. So I guess I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Not sure what we'll be doing, but you guys will be coming along, so whatever we do, you guys will see. But yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday. Just woke up, got ready for the day, and I look outside. I'll show a better view from outside in the front, but I look outside and the snow is coming down. I don't know if you can really see it now, but it's like packed. I'll show another view. So nice out here. So we're going to currently go fishing. That's what we're getting ready to do right now. That's what we're getting ready to do right now. How that will go, I do not know. I have personally not fished myself, but my boyfriend loves to fish, so I've been with him a few times. I would rather fish in the snow than in the scorching heat, which I've done with him before, and it was terrible because for him, he likes to fish until he catches something or until like he gives up and like, I'm not gonna catch anything today. So we'll see how long we'll be out there for that. But yeah, that's what we're currently getting ready to do right now. We just got here and we're gonna be fishing today, and it's snowing out.
Oh, careful right there.
A lot, well, it's not a lot of snow, but it's snowing at the moment. Not sure how much I will be able to film on my camera because it's half battery. It was full before I left, so yeah, whatever I can't film on here, I will try and film it on my phone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy coming along with me in Lake Tahoe. My first time being around actual snow since I'm from Texas. Snow there isn't really snow. So I'm very excited to be here. Just now, I want to make a snow angel. There was a snowman here made by someone else, but he's been decapitated.
No, he hasn't.
And now he's gonna try to put him back together. There he is.
Look at him.
Approaching the lake as we speak.
Okay, we're going over there? Yeah.
So we found the spot that they are going to fish at. It's a nice view. So we will be here for however long they want to fish or try to catch a fish. I don't know if you can tell, I tried to attempt to make a snow angel. He's going to write or attempt to write my name or initial in a heart in the snow. Oh yeah, there you go.
You guys want to see us? What's that thing called when you lay on the ground?
Snowman.
No, it's not a snowman. Snow angel.
Snow angel.
Here we go. Snow angel. You guys ready?
Go.
It's in, out, in, out, in, out.
Careful. Nah.
What does that even look like?
I don't. A ghetto snow angel.
I wrote your name in the snow. Yeah. Do the snow dance. Do the snow dance. 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 What? Now get down low while you're snow dancing. Snow dancing down low. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and as you can see, I'm bundled up already. Let me kind of show you how I look with everything. So what we're working with, I have a long sleeve shirt, a jacket, and then this snow coat on. I have a scarf that kind of put around my head, and if I need to, I can put it over my mouth to keep my face warm. I have yoga pants, snow pants on, and I doubled my socks. Because guys, when I tell y'all it snowed last night, like the difference from yesterday to today is so crazy. Look at that. Just look at all that right now. Happened in one day. And everyone's outside trying to, you know, get the ice and everything, or snow and stuff. It's still coming down. It's like 23 degrees, but it feels like -5 or something like that. So crazy. Let me show y'all a different view. But I'm about to go out there and see how long I can last. Look at the icicles. Crazy, cars are covered. Ooh. All right, guys, here I go. Wow, guys, this is crazy. Look at this. Oh my gosh, and this car here is stuck. They're trying to help him. Wow. Wow. When they said there was going to be a snowstorm, they were not kidding. Wow. Okay, let's see. It's already... Wow. This is a lot. Even though this is like bad, technically, I'm still enjoying myself because like, who wouldn't? In the snow? I'm just enjoying myself because I know when I go back to Texas, I don't have nothing to worry about this. Like, the little ice storm, winter storm we had was nothing compared to this. Like, wow, guys. Wow. It's, I don't even think I can walk far anywhere. These cars are buried, trapped in. And like, look at this. Hold on, just wait. Just look at that. Deep, deep, deep. It's like so crazy. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Okay, here I am, guys, on the side of the place we're staying. Wow. This view, I love this view. Like, so amazing. So amazing. I'm thriving right now. Like, I layered up, I feel great. So nice out here. So nice. Look. Knee deep. I'm literally like laying down in the snow. Yeah. Hey guys, so we're back outside. Today's Wednesday. It stopped snowing, but of course there's all of this buildup behind me. So we're just out here. It's like crazy. We're just out here starting to like shovel and clean off the cars to see if there's a chance we can escape the Airbnb today. So we managed to clear this car off a little bit. And now we have to work on this one. It's covered in snow. So we managed to leave the house, thankfully. And where are we at?
North Star.
We're here at North Star. Just exploring. And it's still snowing, but it's not as bad as yesterday. To come into North Face to look around, burn time. We were trying to go ice skating, but the rink is closed because it's covered in snow. So now we're just gonna walk around, explore, figure out what else to do. Came to stop by the grocery store to get a few things like snacks and stuff because we are running low and we need supply. Decided to stop to get some food at Incline Burgers and Brews.
Same car again.
That's what I said. Oh. Alright, Tree Ward. Up here, Tree Ward. We're gonna try to make it up this way, Tree Ward.
Let's see who can make it back without thinking.
Okay. Come on. Take my hand.
They're trying to find a store to find, I guess, t-shirts to take back, but so far they're all closed.
Good, how are you?
So we're just walking around, really. Just looking at things.
Cinnamon rolls.
Hey guys, we're back. Decided to come outside for a little bit longer so we could sled around where we're staying. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Here I am, stuck in the snow.
Sorry.
Alright, that was a quick save right there because that could have fell in the snow, literally. I got the fast, spidey reflexes. Say hi to the vlog. I pushed him down and he got all the way to here from up there. How was it?
Good push, great push.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I know, it looked like a good one.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
I feel good.
Hey guys, today is Thursday. It's currently 7:35. So if I look like I'm not fully up, it's probably why. But today is our last day. We are currently about to check out of the Airbnb in Lake Tahoe. It's been fun. It's still snowing out there, as y'all could probably see, but it's been fun. And now it's time to go. So that's what we're going to get ready to do. Hopefully, you know, everything will be good to where we can leave. But yeah, that's what we're just gonna be doing, driving back to like the Bay Area. Then me and my boyfriend will be staying the night, and then Friday morning I go back home, sadly, but yeah. So yeah, that's really it today. It's pretty I feel like every time I film it's pretty chill, so like most of this is probably gonna go in one video. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and let y'all know. So much snow. We're heading back, and since we have to drive slower, since there's chains on the wheels, it's gonna take us 2 hours.
Just to get to this stop, not even home.
Yeah, just to get to the store that we need to return something at.
And the store normally is like an hour away.
Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so we go ahead and tell them.
We were driving to that spot that she just updated you guys to, and they said 2 hours. And then if you guys want to check out how this looks, look at this. This is us driving right now. This is all you see. And it's a pretty bad storm. And now one of the roads are closed, and show them how long this is. To that same spot.
It added an extra
2 hours.
Yeah.
Added an extra 2 hours. Wow.
Yay, I guess there's nothing else for us to do, but yeah, 4 hours. Okay, a little update, guys. What's the update?
The update was that all that driving was for nothing, and we had to do a U-turn because the road that we had to go down was shut, like snowed down like crazy. And then we got back to where we originally started because we were supposed to take the this highway, and now we're about to enter it, and it's also shut down. So now we're just waiting, like you showed them around. We're just waiting in this parking lot with everyone else, waiting for it to reopen, but we're gonna grab some food.
Yep, and then since we couldn't find any gift shops that were open because of like weather and stuff, we stopped at this gas station and found these little magnets that I'm gonna get for my mom and my abuela.
We got for them.
Okay, yes, we will. Yes, I will tell them it's from, you know, us whatever. But yeah, that's just the update. I think right now we're gonna go get Panda because we're all hungry and stuck and can't go nowhere. So yeah, just finished eating Panda, and we're kind of just waiting out here because I guess the main highway that we need to go down is closed currently due to the weather. So we're just trying to wait it out, see if we can wait it out, and hope that they open back up so we can go. But yes, it's just a waiting game for now in the snow. Hey, so I know it's been quite a little bit since I've updated you guys. It's because since the last time we spoke, nothing's been going on. Just been sitting here doing apps. Give me a second. But yeah, we're just stuck here waiting outside. We can't go anywhere right now. It's literally 7:07 p.m. We've been here since like 10 something in the morning, and it's crazy because I have a flight tomorrow that's supposed to leave at 10:35. I'm supposed to board at 10:05. I'm supposed to be there an hour or two before, so it's like I might miss my flight, guys. I don't know. Anyways, I'll update y'all. I gotta go. Bye. Hey guys, it's Friday. It's currently 8:38 and we're on our way to the airport. We didn't get home, or we didn't get where we were supposed to be till like 3, 4 in the morning, so we didn't really get as much sleep. That's okay. I'm just gonna take a nap as soon as I get home, and I'm sure, well, I don't know if maybe he will or not, but yeah, we're on our way to the airport right now. And I discovered on TikTok where some airports have like this guest pass program thing. So I looked it up for the airports that I'm flying out of, and they have it. So he's gonna be able to come to inside the airport with me past the TSA, and we're just gonna be chilling until it's time for me to board my plane, which I feel like that is going to be better than all the other times when I'm just sitting there by myself waiting. So I'm excited. How do you feel?
I feel good. Very tired.
Yeah. He did all the driving.
Boring driving while she's sleeping.
I can't help it. Like, I can't help it. I don't know. Once I start sleeping, it's over with. Like, I'm not waking up. Currently about to walk into the airport. Currently trying to find somewhere to eat before I board. We got breakfast burritos. We're burning time until it's time for me to board.